1, 2, 3, go.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. And this is my report. It's all about anatomical direction and movement. So, inversion and eversion are movements which occur at the ankle joint, referring to the rotation of the foot around its long axis. So, ang inversion and eversion, example is sa tiil. So, ang eversion is ano siya sa medial. Kanang masulod siya sa medial part sa atong or sa tunga sa atong lawas. While the eversion is sa gawas, which is sa lateral. So, mo na ang inversion and eversion. So, ang opposition and deposition, a pair of movements that are limited to the humans and some great apes. This term applies to the additional movements that the hand and thumb can perform in this species. Opposition brings the thumb and the little finger together. So, opposition is with the thumb. So, ang opposition is kaning thumb. Thumb. That's called opposition. Pag ianan mo na, that's called reposition. So, mo na ang reposition. So, 3 is circumduction. Can be defined as a conical movement of a limb extending from the joint at which the movement is controlled. It is sometimes talked about as circular motion, but is more accurately conical due to the cone formed by moving the limb. So, ang kwan sa circumduction is circular movement. So, if circular movement, so, kibali, like kani, ang shoulder and hand, ana. When sa foot, ana. Gets? Ana. So,